Kuhitukira kigina kia Women Enterprise Fund na Hustler Fund, thirikari ikoretwo ikigeria kugushiriria ikundi cia atumia gwikihoya ria kwamukira ngombo cia gwikuria kuhitukira biacara cia mithemba itiganite. No ona thengia ya thirikari gukorwo irutite kigina giki, no gicunji kia 2% kia ikundi cia atumia maramukira ngombo ici.
If you look at the data that we have, we are told only 2% of women are bankable. When you look at the monies out here on Matters Women, it's quite a lot of money, but we are not tapping into that. So the biggest headache we have as government is how do we accelerate women? How do we accelerate the bottom-up economic agenda? We can only do that if we go along with the professionals because they are the ones who are supposed to educate Kenya.
Kuringana na MUTARI wa President MAUNDU-INI MAKONII ATUMIA Harriet Chigai, uyu ni undu coketie thi mieke ya atumia na makiria icagi-ini. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia atumia mwena wa Naivasha, Chigai augite wabici yake ni gukorwo githurima ringi mitaratara ya gukinyira tabarira itiganite cia thirikari niguo kuhotithia atumia kwigwatira kandarathi iria ciraheanwo ni thirikari.
Identified the gaps in AGPO and we've also said we are going to amend, we are going to take the recommendations. And I love it because it is not a Harriet's recommendation or a Kisim recommendations. It's the recommendations by the women in supply chain. They themselves have mapped out the gaps. They themselves have provided the solutions.
Oho akiranira ati thirikari ni guthondeka mitaratara ya gutigirira ihoto cia atumia ni rathingatithio. Uge wakio kinyitwo baru ni atongoria a honge ngurani aria marekinyetie kigomano-ini giki.
Organizations which have already kitted their women and they are saying productivity margin is high. So how comfortable are you going to make women? Because you know there are some organizations which have silent policies that if you're a woman in the childbearing age, you are not going to be promoted, neither are you going to be employed. Why? It's the drama that comes with children.
There is no shortcut to professionalism. That is very, very important. Knowledge and keep learning, keeping on learning and learning all the time. Mentoring others, very, very important because they become then the partners you rely on.
Hadwini hakameme TV, jitagugina wabadirwa.